Namaste students. Let us solve problems based on two parallel conductors when they are carrying current. What is the force experienced or force between them? Now we observe this problem. A current of 5 ampere flows through each of two parallel long wires and the wires are 2.5 centimeter apart. Calculate the force acting per unit length of each wire. And we have to use the standard value of constant required. What will be the nature of the force if both the currents flow in the same direction? Now we'll try to understand this problem in the small diagram manner. So there are two parallel currents. You can see here one current and another conductor. So these are the two parallel conductors carrying current in the same direction. I, both are same value and they are separated by a distance of 2.5 centimeter. They are separated by a distance of 2.5 centimeter. Now, what will be the force acting per unit length? So we have to find force acting per unit length F by L. So formula that is capital F by L is equal to mu naught I1 I2 whole divided by 2 pi r. This is the formula, force per unit length. So mu naught is a standard value 4 pi into 10 power minus 7. I1 value, I2, both are same current they have given 5 ampere. That is 5 into 5, 25 whole divided by 2 pi into the distance is 2.5 centimeter. Convert into meter, then it will become 2.5 into 10 power minus 2. Minus 2. Now pi you can cancel. 2 ones are 2 twos are. And further this 2.5 into 10 power minus 2, we can write 25 into 10 power minus 3. So these 25 you can cancel. Now 2 into 10 power minus 7 and this minus 3 take to the numerator. Then it will become plus 3. Minus 7 plus 3. So we have finally 2 into 10 power minus 4 Newton per meter. Newton per meter, since the current are in parallel in the same direction and the force is attractive. So if you observe the options here, 2 into 10 power minus 4 Newton per meter, repulsive wrong. 2 into 10 power minus 5, that is wrong. This is wrong. So the fourth option, 2 into 10 power minus 4 Newton per meter attractive. This is the right answer. So the second problem here, a long horizontal rigidly supported wire carries a current of 100 ampere. Now let us draw the diagram simple way. So there is a long horizontal. So a long horizontal wire rigidly supported carries a current of 100 ampere. So this is carrying a current of 100 ampere. Okay. Now directly above it and parallel to it is a fine wire that carries a current of 200 ampere. So one more wire which is carrying a current of 200 ampere. 200 ampere. Okay, and it weighs 0.05. That is nothing but the force they have given 0.05 Newton per meter. That is force per unit length they have given. Now, how far above the wire should the second wire? So they are asking the distance between them. Okay, so direct formula again for us. So F, force per unit length they have given. Force per unit length is equal to mu naught I1 I2 by 2 pi r by 2 pi r. So force per unit length, substitute that 0.05 which is equal to 4 pi into 10 power minus 7 mu naught value, and I1 is 100, I2 is 200. Okay, whole divided by 2 pi r. Now pi get cancelled, 2 ones are 2 twos are. Now this r you cross multiply. So in the next step we are getting here r is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 7. See, we have two zeros. So I can write this as plus 4 into 2. Because 200, 2 into 1 and whole divided by 0.05. So that is 0.05. So that can be written as 5 into 10 power minus 2. So we can write this as 4 by 5 into 10 power minus 7 plus 4 plus 2. Okay. So that is equal to 4 by 5 into 10 power minus 1. Or further I can write this as 40 by 5 into 10 power minus 2 we can write. Okay. So 5 ones are 5 eights are. So which is equal to 8 centimeters. So the option is B, 10 centimeter, 8 centimeter. So this is the right option. Okay, students. Now in this problem, two parallel wires of length 9 meter each are separated by a distance of 0.15 meter. Now, two parallel wires. Let us take two parallel wires. These are two parallel wires. And length 9 meter. This is also having 9 meter length and this is also having 9 meter length. Separated by a distance of 0.15 meter. So the distance between this and this is 0.15 meter. Okay, not centimeter. So it is just meter. So we have to remember that it is 0.15 meter. Okay, they have given the distance between them. If they carry equal currents in the same direction and exert a force, okay, they have given force F is equal to 30 into 10 power minus 7 Newton, the total force they have given. All right, and the length is equal to 9 and the distance is equal to 0.15 meter. They are asking us to find value of the current I. So formula, this is the total force formula. F is equal to mu naught I1 I2 whole divided by 2 pi r into L. So we have to find, and the current is same. They are carrying the equal current. I1 I2 are same. So therefore, if you know, substitute that 30 into 10 power minus 7 and mu naught is how much? 4 pi into 10 power minus 7. I1, I2 both are same. Let us write that as I1 is equal to I2 is equal to I, and which is nothing but I into I. We can write that as I square, and the length is 9 divided by 2 pi r. Now pi get cancelled, 2 ones are, 2 twos are, and we want r. So take r this side, cross multiply 2 into 10 power minus 7. So r they have given. We have to find I square. Okay. R they have given. So let us not disturb that. Okay. So I square is equal to 30 into 10 power minus 7 into r whole divided by 9 is there, 9 to the 18 into 10 power minus 7. Okay, pi get cancelled. Fine. Now this 10 power minus 7, 10 power minus 7 we can cancel. Okay, and r is 0.15. So further I can substitute that 30 into 0.15 can be written as 15 into 10 power minus 2 whole divided by 18. Okay, now this can be written as 2 nines are 2 15s are. Okay, now which is equal to I square. Take square root both the side. Then I is equal to root of 15 into 15 by 9 into 10 power minus 2. So if you apply root for this, it will become 15 by 3 into 10 power minus 1. So 15 by 3, 3 ones are, 3 fives are. So 5 into 10 power minus 1. 5 into 10 power minus 1, which is nothing but 0.5 ampere. So current I equal to 0.5 ampere. Now observe the options. We have 2.5 ampere, 3.5, 1.5, 0.5. Correct. So this option D is right. Thank you.